Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to share something really simple but really powerful. It's a morning routine, but not just any morning routine. This one helps you improve your English every single day. And the best part, you don't need a teacher, you don't need a book, you just need your morning. Let's start. When you open your eyes in the morning, speak English. I know it sounds funny, but it works. Just say simple things out loud, like good morning. Today is Monday. I'm a little tired. The weather looks nice today. That's it. Just talk to yourself in English. Why does this help? Because your brain is fresh in the morning. It learns faster. When you start your day in English, your brain thinks, okay, today we speak English. You don't need perfect sentences. You don't need big words. Just speak. Even one sentence is enough to start. After you wake up, put on some English audio. You can listen while you brush your teeth, make coffee or tea, get dressed. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen. Let the sounds, the rhythm, and the words go into your ears. A short YouTube video in English, a simple podcast like English Learning for Curious Minds or BBC Learning English, a TV show you already know but watch it in English. Even 10 minutes every morning makes a big difference over time. The key is every day. A little bit every day is much better than 2 hours one day and nothing for a week. After listening, read something, just one page, or even just a few paragraphs. You can read a short news article, a page from a book, a post on Reddit or an English website, subtitles on YouTube. When you read, you see how words look. You learn new words. You see how sentences work. Don't stop at every new word. Try to understand the meaning from the sentences. If you stop too much, reading becomes slow and boring. Read fast. Enjoy it. If you see a word more than 3 times and you still don't know it, then write it down. Just one page every morning. Easy. Now write something in English. Open your phone, open a notebook, write just 5 sentences about your morning. For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock. The weather is cloudy today. I had coffee and bread for breakfast. I feel good today. Today I want to finish my homework. Simple, short, real. Writing helps you remember new words. It helps you think in English, and it shows you where you make mistakes so you can get better. You don't need perfect English. Just write. Make mistakes. That's how you learn. Every morning we'll learn just 3 new English words. Not 20, not 50, just 3. Write them down. Say them out loud. Use them in a sentence. For example, exhausted. Very, very tired. I'm exhausted after a long week. Bright. Full of light. The sun is really bright today. Suggest. To give an idea. Can you suggest a good movie? 3 words. Every day. That's over 1,000 new words in 1 year. Small steps, big results. So let's do a quick review. Your English morning routine. Wake up and say something in English. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Read 1 page in English. Write 5 sentences. Learn 3 new words. That's it. Simple, easy, powerful. You don't need hours. You just need 30 minutes every morning. Try it for 1 week, and I promise you will feel the difference. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.